Fundamental primitives. Fundamental primitives are the most basic geometric elements used in computer graphics, computer-aided design, CAD, and various engineering and mathematical applications to represent more complex structures. They are the building blocks for creating higher order shapes and objects. Here are the key types of fundamental primitives and their definitions. Points. A point is a single location in space with no length, area, or volume. It is typically represented in Cartesian coordinate system by a set of coordinates such as x, y, and z for 3D space or xy for 2D space. Lines. A line is a one-dimensional geometric object with length but no width or depth. It can be defined by 2 points, a point in the direction, or an equation. A line segment has defined endpoints, while a line may extend infinitely in both directions. Polygons. A polygon is a two-dimensional shape made of straight lines, having a finite number of sides and vertices. Common polygons include triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, and hexagons. In 3D graphics, polygons often represent the surface of 3D objects. Building complex objects with meshes. Building complex objects with meshes involves creating three-dimensional shapes by connecting a network of a simpler geometric elements such as vertices, edges, and faces. Meshes are a fundamental structure in 3D modeling, computer graphics, and CAD. Computer-aided design. They provide a flexible way to represent intricate and detailed objects while maintaining computational efficiency. Key components of meshes, and here is the vertices. The vertices are the fundamental points in a mesh where edges meet. They define the corners of junctions of a mesh. Edges. Next is edges. Edges are lines that connect two vertices. They represent the skeleton of a mesh, indicating how vertices are connected. Faces. Faces, also called polygons, are the surfaces formed by connecting edges. Triangles and quadrilaterals are the most common types of faces in 3D modeling. A mesh can consist of many such faces to create complex designs. Introduction to parametric surfaces. Parametric surfaces offer a different approach to defining complex geometric shapes. Unlike meshes, which use discrete points and polygons, parametric surfaces use mathematical equations to define shapes. Parameters. Parametric surfaces are defined by equations that use one or more parameters to generate points on the surface. For example, a parametric equation for a surface in 3D might look. Common parametric surfaces. Some common examples of parametric surfaces include surfaces of revolution, Bezier surfaces, B-splines, and NURBS.